In this video, you will learn 11 plus vocabulary list. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to master 11 plus exam techniques to land in your dream grammar school, start right now by subscribing and clicking on the bell so you don't miss anything. Suffer from a continuous dull pain. In this picture, we can see someone suffering from a continuous dull pain. Therefore, the word will be ache. And the sentence for this word is, why is my head aching? The next definition we have is closed or secure with a long rigid piece of wood, metal or similar material. And in this picture we can see something that's closed or secured with a long rigid piece of a metal. And therefore the word will be barred. And the sentence for this word is, he sits by a barred window. Before we go on to the next one, let's try to recall the previous slide, and the word we learned in the previous slide is ache. Let's go on to the next one. The next one is wash one's mouth and throat with a liquid. In this picture we can see someone holding their hands to the throat. And therefore the word will be gargle. And the sentence for this word is, her dad told her that gargling salt water may also relieve discomfort, but she's not willing to do it. So once again, before we go on to the next one, let's try to recall the previous slide. The previous slide is barred. Let's go on to the next one. The next one is of water flow in a tumbling or rippling way. And in this picture we can see water that's flowing in a tumbling or rippling way. And therefore the word will be popple. And the sentence for this word is, we could hear that the sound of the water poppling, splashing, trickling. So once again, before we go on to the next one, let's try to recall the previous slide. The previous slide is gargle. Let's go on to the next one. The next one is a book or other collection of financial accounts. In this picture, we can see a book with financial accounts. And therefore the word will be ledger. The sentence for this word is, it was a ledger with a half leather binding such as storekeepers use for accounts. So once again, before we go on to the next one, let's try to recall the previous slide, and the word we learned in the previous slide is popple. Let's go on to the next one. Next one is cause or accelerate a reaction by acting as a catalyst. In this picture we can see two scientists holding a reaction in their hand. And therefore the word will be catalyze. And the sentence for this word is, this could catalyze the chemical reaction. So once again, before we go on to the next one, let's try to recall the previous slide. And the previous slide is ledger. Let's go on to the next one. The next one is clothing. And in this picture we can see obviously clothing. And therefore the word will be apparel. The sentence for this word is, the store sells women's and children's apparel. So once again, before we go on to the next one, let's try to recall the previous slide, and the word we learned in the previous slide is catalyze. Let's go on to the next one. Now we're at quiz time, and let's see how we have done by attending the quiz. So question number 1 is wash one's mouth and throat with a liquid. In this picture we can see someone holding their throat. Question number 2 is closed or secured with a long rigid piece of wood, metal or similar material. In this picture we can see someone sitting next to a closed or secured place which has a long rigid piece of metal. The next one is of water flow in a tumbling or rippling way. In this picture we can see water flowing in a tumbling or rippling way. And our final question, question number 4, is a book or other collection of financial accounts. In this picture we can see a book with financial accounts. So now that's all 4 questions done, and let's have a look at the results to see how well we have done. And here are the results. So question number 1 is gargle, question number 2 is barred, question number 3 is popple, And the final question, question number 4, is ledger. So well done for attending the quiz, and I hope you got all right. Now to learn more on 11 Plus vocab, click the video on the right, and to learn the previous type, click the video on the left. So take your pick. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.